So sometimes I wonder if I should grow a beard or... Leland! What? What is he doing now? Leland! Don't you... Oh. Quit treating your toys like this. Leland! Give me that hammer. Oh, not again. Oh, you just busted. Oh, come on, Leland. That was your Christmas present. Okay, why? Stop it. What?
I have to keep charging the freaking thing. Now move.
Ow. Okay, I got flip-flops on. Stop, Leland. Oh my God. Why are you doing this? What's the matter with you?
Because I have to keep charging the freaking thing.
Because you have to keep charging it?
Yes.
So now you're smashing it?
Yes.
That was a Christmas present. That was from your grandparents.
Don't care anymore.
Leland, you loved that toy.
Well, I have to keep charging it, so not anymore.
Well, you have
Worst present ever.
but you have to charge toys.
Don't care
Everything
anymore.
operates on a battery.
Don't care anymore.
Oh my God. Whoa. You're so ungrateful, you know that? Why am I ungrateful? Stand back, Leland. Leland has a hammer. And you know what happens when he has a hammer? Breaks. That's what happens.
Whoa! Stop! Leland, someone's never work again. No key.
Should I be concerned of the quality of the toy, how easily that broke apart? Like, honestly, they don't make toys that tough anymore.
Okay,
It's all plastic and one little swipe of a hammer and it shatters. You're gonna clean all this up. I don't want... Okay, Leland, I don't want broken toys all over the yard. Don't hit your sister in the head.
You just made me bleed.
Oh, Leland. Give me that hammer. I don't want broken toy pieces all over the yard. Okay, you're gonna clean every single piece. Every little itty bitty tiny piece. You're gonna clean up. And you're not gonna be banging my deck. This is
Holy frick!
expensive deck.
Holy frick!
It's a nice
Daddy.
deck. Here, stop. Give me that hammer.
You give me it!
Oh, ow! Ah, it's slippery. Stop it. Okay, you're gonna hurt yourself like you usually do with a hammer. See, and you completely missed. Give me that. I want these pieces picked up now. Pick up these pieces. Stay back. No, Leland, pick up the toys. Or pick up all these little pieces. There's a garbage bag.
It was a toy.
It used to be a toy. Now, use that garbage bag and pick up all the little pieces. I want this deck clean. Clean the deck.
You're an idiot.
Clean the deck.
Oh, excuse me.
Leland, stand back.
You're a jerk.
Leland, stop.
Down the deck.
No, don't. Leland,
Jerk.
get your hands off of her. Get your hands off of her. It's very slippery in here. Clean this deck up. Clean this deck up.
You're a freaking jerk.
Leland, clean this deck up.
Give me it. No.
Give me the hammer. Give me that freaking hammer. Give me the hammer. I mean it. I want everything picked up. I want everything picked up.
Yeah, you're a jerk. You are. Daddy, do you think he's a jerk?
He's not a good kid. I'll just leave it at that. Did he just slip? Did he just fall on your butt? He just slipped. Oh. Very slippery deck. Ow! Frick!